Good morning, children. Today let us find 8th problem. Exercise 1.4, 8th one. Find the values of the following. So let us see first one. 64 whole to the power 1 by 6. What is here? This is 6th root of 64. 6th root of 64. So you have to think which number, if you multiply any, for example, if you take 2, if you multiply 2 6 times, if you get 64, that is the suitable here. Okay, so we have to write 64 as a power of 6. Okay, so you have to think, if you multiply 2 6 times, will you get 64? So let us see. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. How many times you multiply? 6 times. So this 64 can be written as 2 power 6 whole to the power 1 by 6. Okay. Now using exponents form. What are the exponents properties? A power m whole to the power n equal a power m into n. So here 2 power 6 into 1 by 6. So here 6 ones are 6 ones are. What is exponent 1? 2 power 1, that is 2. Okay, so here you have to see what is this is 6th root. 6th root means you have to write 64 as a something number power 6. Let us see here 32. In the before problem we have seen 2 multiplied 6 times we got 64. If you multiply 2 5 times you can get 32. So write 2 power 5. You have to do this. Next see 243 power 2 by 5. 243 power 2 by 5 means this is we can write first 243 whole to the power 2 whole power 1 by 5. So this is 5th root. 5th root means 243, which number if you multiplied 5 times you can get 243. It is not 2. Why? Because here the units place 3. So let us not 2. Let us check 3. 3 3 is a 9. 9 3 is a 27. 27 3 is a 81. 81 3 is a 243. So if you multiply 3 5 times you can get 243. Okay. So first let us write this 3 power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5. Okay. If you multiply 3 5 times, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81, 81 3 is a 243. Okay now apply same property. A power m whole to the power n equal a power mn. So here 3 power 5 into 2 by 5. So 5 5 get cancelled. What is the value? 3 power 2. 3 power 2 means base is 3, exponent 2. So exponent 2 means multiply this base 2 times. 3 into 3, 9. Okay. Now let us see another problem. (16 power 2 by 3). 16 power 3 by 2. How can you solve this? So here what is you have to see this denominator. This is square root of. Okay. So here 2. So you have to think which number if you multiply 2 times you can get 16? 4. 4 4s are 16. So we can write 16 as 4 square whole to the power 3 by 2. Now apply this property a power m whole to the power n, a power m into n. So 4 power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 means multiply 4 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Okay. So you have to do 32 power 1 by 5. Okay. One more, 60 to 625 whole to the power 1 by 4. So in the units place 5, you have to check 5. If you multiply 5 4 times, will you get 625 or not? Okay, let us see another problem. See next problem, 9th one, simplify. Okay, here 4th root of 81. So 4th root of 81 means you have to check which number, if you multiply 4 times, we are getting 81. So 81 you can, we have already seen 3. If you multiply 3 4 times, are you getting 81 or not? Check. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. So this we can write, first let us write this as a power. This is 4th root 81. Let us write in the exponential form, 81 power 1 by 4 minus 8 into, this is 343 power 1 by 3, cube root of. Write in the exponential form, 343 power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32 power 1 by 5, fifth root of 32. This is 2 square root of 225. So we can write 225 power 1 by 2. Now let us write 81. 81 as a 3 power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. Now minus 8 into 343 whole to the power 1 by 3. So this is cubed root. Cubed root means check which number, if you multiply 3 times, are you getting 343. So you can check, you will get 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. Okay. So this we can write 7 cube. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. 49 as round figure 50. 50 sevens are 350. 315 subtract 7. 343. Plus whole to the power 1 by 3 plus 15 into 32. Already we solved before problem. 2 power 5 whole to the power 1 by 5. Here whole power 1 by 2. So that is square root. This is a perfect square, 225. Which number square 225? 15. Whole to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Now using exponential formula, a power m whole power n equal a power m into n. So apply that property for 4 terms. This is a power m whole to power n. So 3 power 4 into 1 by 4 minus 8 into 7 power 3 into 1 by 3 plus 15 into 2 power 5 into 1 by 5 plus 15 power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, 5 cancel, here 3 ones are 3 ones are, 4 ones are 4 ones are. What are the values? 3 power 1, 3 minus 8 into 7 power 1, 7 plus 15 into 2 power 1, 2 plus 15 power 1 is 15. So 3, 8 7s are 56, 15 2s are 30 plus 15. Now add 30 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 3, 48 minus 56. Subtract. So here what is the bigger number? 56. 56 has minus. So first write minus. So subtract 48 from 56. What will you get? 8. So minus 8 is the value of this given expression. Okay. So you have to do the 8th bit 2 problems and try to solve solved examples. Already I explained many problems in the exercise. You have to do the solved problems. Okay. So in the next class we can complete the chapter. We have 2 more problems. Okay. So concentrate on the rationalizing factors. That is a very important one in this exercise. Okay. Thank you, students.